You may have noticed through virtual school that you've made some better connections with parents or guardians because they've walked behind the camera, they've waved hello, they've been more available because they've been sitting next to their kids, able to ask real life questions at the moment. And that never happens during school. I don't think we should lose touch with that. I think that parent communication is always something that sometimes is difficult because we can't fit it into our school day. And I'm not asking you to work a longer day. I'm just saying that, hey, many of us correct papers at night or different times during our day or weekend, whatever you want to do. But what if we did a bi-weekly, coffee with the teacher afternoon, maybe it's from 6 to 6:30, maybe it's a once a month, something that you send out an invite that parents can join in virtually. They get to meet each other as well as kind of talk about some of the things that they're having a difficult time with, and they might even communicate with other parents who have solved those problems in their home. To me, that would be mind-blowing and wonderful. And you could also offer individual office hours that said, hey, listen, on Tuesday, this date, I'm going to have from 6 to 7 or 5 to 6, whatever it might be, some individual office hours. So these are the times that are available. Please send them to me, and I'll go ahead and put some invites out, and you just come on, log on virtually, and we can discuss that problem ahead of time. It's proactive. It keeps the connection that we may have made that we didn't make before when we were face-to-face, and we don't want to lose those connections. What we know is that proactive connections, building community, and kind of nipping things before they kind of escalate definitely helps us in the long run. Give it a try. If it works for you, let us all know. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.